Hey everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success podcast. Quick tip video. It's going to be about how to maximize your business in the winter. We get this question a lot. You see a lot of this in the Facebook groups, and it's people like, "Oh, you can't do car washes. There's no money in car washes." They're full. Let's show you why. Let me introduce you to a program we started in my personal business. We call it the Winter Wash Program. What that program consists of, it's a monthly subscription, winter months only, it's exclusive. What this does is it kind of shows the customers that you're able to do something that you don't want to do. And why that matters is it then positions yourself and we're doing you a favor. We have a lot of customers now that are doing this Winter Wash Program that are very thankful. They are super happy that we're doing it. They are happy to pay us $50 wherever you want it to be a month. That's one wash per month and makes them happy. There's a few things. You can only be a part of the program if you have your car ceramic coated by us. Is there some customers that we kind of bend the rules for? Yes, because they're good customers. But I've also had customers get a coating because they want to be in the wash program. So it goes both ways. Now, a lot of people say, can you not profit, that you can't profit from car washing? The question is, I don't think, is it a good long-term solution? No. I mean, I don't offer car washes in my business, just washes. I'll do them for this Winter Wash Program, which gets people in the door in the winter, keeps my employees busy, and keeps them working, which is obviously important. Last but not least, every single Winter Car Wash Program customer that we have always buys something at the end. So when we end it in March, so March your last month, you can use your credits for this program. They're always buying something, a detail, they're getting another coating, they're getting tint, they're getting paint protection film, they're getting something we offer, so we're able to sell them more services. Biggest thing out of all this, subscription payments. Do not be reaching out to people waiting for them to pay you and whatever. Subscription payments, first of the month, no questions asked, that's how we do it. And what that does, it guarantees you the money if they don't show up. Have a great day.